Hi and welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your username on Discord. First, you have to launch Discord application. Then, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then, go to My Account, tap on Username, add your username however you like, and tap on this Save button in the bottom right corner. Now you have to enter your password to confirm the changes. And settings successfully updated. And that's how you change username on Discord. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Goodbye.